Hello student, I am your geography teacher Vivek from California Public School. Are you fine to all? Okay, so be careful, stay at home, stay healthy. Today I will teach you your first chapter representation of geographical feature. In this chapter today we discuss settlement pattern. Okay, settlement pattern. Okay, so now first of all, what is the settlement? Settlement, any place where people live and work to earn for their families is called settlement. Okay, so first of all, what is the settlement? So any place where the people live and work to earn for their family is called settlement. Okay, to all, in ancient time people used to settle near a river in a lowland region where farming was possible. मीन्स कि एंशियंट टाइम में लोग वहीं पर रहना पसंद करते थे जहां पर फैसिलिटीज उनके पास हो. ओके, लाइक ए वाटर, लाइक ए फर्टाइल लैंड, ताकि वहां पर इजिली एग्रीकल्चर कर सके. ठीक है, और उनकी जो बेसिक नीड्स हैं वो भी पूरी हो सके. ओके, सो नाउ सेटलमेंट शुड हैव, एक सेटलमेंट में क्या होता है बच्चे? विलेट अप हट्स, हाउस, कमर्शियल बिल्डिंग्स, पार्क, ठीक है, मार्केट, रोड, हेल्थ सेंटर, क्लियर, so cultural center, church, temples, college, so many things are. Okay, so broadly the settlement can be divided in two part. Which one? Temporary or permanent. Okay, temporary and permanent. Okay, if we talk about temporary, the temporary settlement shown in your topo sheet, this is your symbol. Okay, hollow square in red circle. Okay, like this symbol if you see in your topo sheet, that means temporary settlement. Okay, and if you see like this symbol square filled with red color, that means permanent settlement. Okay, so now firstly we discuss here temporary settlement. Okay, so now to temporary or permanent. टेम्परेरी मीन्स जहां पर हम ओनली शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के लिए रह रहे हैं. ओके, और परमानेंट जहां परमानेंट रह रहे हैं. ओके, तो फर्स्ट वी टॉक अबाउट टेम्परेरी सेटलमेंट. और टेम्परेरी सेटलमेंट इज विलेट फॉर अ स्पेसिफिक पर्पस एंड ऑक्युपाइड फॉर अ शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. ओके, मीन्स टेम्परेरी सेटलमेंट में हम किसी स्पेसिफिक पर्पस के लिए वहां रहते हैं और वो भी ओनली शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. ओके, after that when our work is finished we come back again. Okay, so means यहाँ पर हम only short period of time के लिए रहेंगे in temporary settlement में. Okay, this settlement may develop in the forest areas, hot and cold desert or mountains. All in these areas we can't live because hot means temperature too much high, cold means very cold temperature here, mountains not facilities here, forest areas it's difficult to survive in this region. Okay, so that's why we are here only short period of time, particular specific purpose के लिए हम settlement को establish करते हैं. Okay, तो first point here कि will for a specific purpose और occupied for a short period of time, किसी specific purpose के लिए जाएंगे और short period of time के लिए रहेंगे. Okay, this settlement may develop in forest areas, hot, cold desert और mountain areas. इन सभी एरिया में इसको रहेंगे. Okay, after that third point, people living in temporary settlement mainly practice hunting, food gathering, shifting cultivations और fishing. Okay, कि मीन्स हम टेम्परेरी के लिए क्यों सेटलमेंट होते हैं? हो सकता है वहाँ हंटिंग करनी हो, फूड गैदरिंग के लिए, शिफ्टिंग कल्टिवेशन, फिशिंग. फूड गैदरिंग, हंटिंग और फिशिंग नॉट ऑल. और व्हाट इज अ शिफ्टिंग कल्टीवेशन? Okay, so listen carefully. Shifting cultivation means those peoples are living in the dense forest areas. They first of all cut down the tree, after that burn the land, after that they clear the patches of land, and after that grow the crops for 2 or 3 years. Okay, when fertility decrease, they leave the place and move another place. Okay, means क्या हुआ कि first of all in shifting culture, first of all this is the tree, they cut down the tree and your tree fell down. After that one your tree, after that clear the patches and they grow the crops for 2-3 years. Or when fertility decrease, they leave the place and move another place. It's called shifting cultivation. Okay, and this type of cultivation practiced especially those are living in the dense forest areas. Okay, so now after that they live mostly in the mud huts which can be demolished easily. कि मीन्स वो स्पेशली मड से बने हुए घरों में रहते हैं ताकि जब उनका जो मेन पर्पस है फुलफिल हो जाए, आफ्टर वो इजली से इनको कोलैप्स कर सके, इजली उनको गिरा सके. क्लियर? सो नाउ दिस इज द टेम्परेरी सेटलमेंट. आफ्टर वी डिस्कस permanent settlement. Okay, a permanent settlement grow over a long period of time where most of the families live and work permanently. मीन्स लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के लिए. वो क्या था? परमानेंट. परमानेंट मीन्स शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के लिए. यहाँ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम वेयर मोस्ट ऑफ द फैमिलीज लिव एंड वर्क परमानेंटली. ओके, एंड सेकंड पॉइंट, परमानेंट सेटलमेंट हैव क्लोजली built up area and well developed public utility service such as water supply, electricity, market, education and health facilities. वो परमानेंट सेटलमेंट में क्या है? योर हाउस विल इट अप क्लोजली, एक दूसरे पास बनते हैं, एंड एवरी फैसिलिटीज लाइक वाटर्स, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, मार्केट, एजुकेशन, हेल्थ फैसिलिटी और फैसिलिटीज आर देयर. ओके, सो नाउ थर्ड पॉइंट, मोस्ट ऑफ द परमानेंट सेटलमेंट हैव अ प्रॉपर लेआउट प्लान फॉर फ्यूचर ग्रोथ. यू नॉट ऑल की परमानेंट सेटलमेंट क्या होता है? ऑलवेज वो ग्रो करते रहते हैं. ठीक है, तो वो उनकी जो फॉर्मेशन होती है, जो इस्टेब्लिश होते हैं, तो एक प्रॉपर प्लानिंग के साथ किया था ताकि फ्यूचर में उसकी ग्रोथ एक गुड मैनर में, एक अच्छे वे में हो सके. ओके, दिस आर द परमानेंट सेटलमेंट. ओके, एंड परमानेंट सेटलमेंट ऑलवेज इस्टेब्लिश नियर द plain areas, fertile land, availability of water. Okay, where all the facilities easily available. Okay, so now after we discuss next important topic कि each settlement has some pattern, उसका एक particular structure होता है. Okay, और this structures has developed over a period of time, और slow time के साथ ये already अपने आप ही develop होता है. Okay, so according to the pattern see in the settlement, they can grouped under the other one, basically three types: nucleated, dispersed or linear settlement. Okay, nucleated settlement. Nucleated settlement means also known as compact pattern. Okay, that means a large number of houses are built close to each other. This is your house. Okay, this is a symbol of your house. See here in your topo sheet, this is your house settlement. Okay, this is your settlement. Clear? So when your house villet close to each other is called nucleated pattern. Okay, and now second point, this type of settlements are mostly found in nucleated, means your house close to each other. और close कहाँ मिलेंगे? Where mostly where it found? Fertile land, river valley, coastal areas, mining or industrial sector. Okay, these are the areas where this type of settlement are found, where coastal areas, fertile land, river, mining sector and industrial center. Okay, and after that the main factor which is also help in the growth of development, the nuclear settlement are the availability of water, ठीक है, defense of that road, रोड में आपका रेलवे, of that air transport and water. ओके, these are the facilities होंगी, वहीं पे ही आपको न्यूक्लिएटेड सेटलमेंट मिलेगी. ओके, सो नाउ these settlement provide a variety of employment opportunities. तो यहाँ पर क्या है, न्यूक्लियर सेटलमेंट में क्यों न्यूक्लिएटेड है? बिकॉज ऑल आर फैसिलिटीज हियर एंड employment facilities also there. Okay, so now we discuss the nuclear settlement. It is also known as compact pattern, and a large number of houses are built close to each other, and this type of settlement are found basically in fertile lowland, river valley, coastal areas, mining and industrial center. Okay, and the main factors due to this settlement are, we can say, growth or development due to the availability of water, defense, transport facilities. Okay, and this type of settlement provide a variety of employment opportunities. Okay, so we discuss here dispersed settlement means your red box are village far away to each other. Okay, this is known as disperse. Okay, so it is also known as scatter settlement. Dispersed settlement is also known as scatter settlement. Okay, this is found mostly in sparsely populated area. Here, sparsely populated area, areas. Okay, जहां पॉपुलेशन कम होगी वहीं पे आपको डिस्पर्स सेटलमेंट मिलेगी. Okay, the other factors which contribute in the development of scatter, या we can say dispersed settlement, are which factors? Poor soil, that means जहां fertility less हो. After that, highland, adverse climate conditions, okay. After that, shortage of water, these are the factors. And after that, this step pattern is closely linked to the large farmhouse. Both permanent and temporary house can be part of dispersed settlement. Okay, in nucleator we discuss ki is also known as compact, and built on the means your house built close to each other. Okay, or these are basically found in river valley, lowland, fertile land, coastal areas, mining, industrial. Okay, and the main factors here: water availability, defense and transport facilities. Okay, and large variety of employment opportunities also here. Okay, in dispersed is also known as scattered settlement. It is mostly found in sparsely populated areas. Other factors which contribute the development of scattered settlement are poor soil, highland, adverse climate conditions, shortage of water. Okay, this is your second point. So now see here in your topo sheet, these are the nuclear pattern. Or if I talk about disperse, just here your house far away to each other like this. These are far away to each other. This is your disperse pattern. Okay, and now we talk about third one point, linear settlement. Okay, so this type of settlement, house and other buildings are mostly built along the local road, canal, river or railway line. Means this is your river, this is your road, या canal. Your house built both of the road, both of the, it may be rivers, it may be canal. Okay, जब your house built both side of the rivers, road, canal, a railway line. Okay, this basically this type of linear settlement are found in floodplain, in hilly areas, have typical linear settlement pattern. Okay, so that means when your house or village both side of the, it may be road, it may be river, it may be canal. Okay, this is your linear settlement. See example here, this is your road, both of the road, your house or village, this is your railway line, it may be railway both side. Okay, this is called linear pattern. Now this is your dispersed, when your house village far away to each other, and this is your nucleated pattern. Okay, so now in this lecture we discuss only pattern of settlement. Okay, so settlement means any place where people live and work to earn for their families is called settlement. Okay, after we discuss temporary, settlement or permanent. Okay, temporary settlement are shown in a topo sheet in hollow square in red color. Okay, and permanent is also square in red color with filled with red color. Okay, after that we discuss temporary or permanent features, and after that pattern. Okay, there are three type of patterns: nucleated settlement pattern, dispersed, or linear. Okay, nucleated means when your house village close to each other is called nucleated pattern, and dispersed when your house far away to each other, and linear when your house village both are the road, it may be rivers, canals, railway line. Okay, so now next lectures we discuss next topic, that is the interpretation and analysis of topo sheet. Okay, thank you.